I was just doing my job, trying to keep the line real tight. Heard the stacker making noises, something just didn't sound right. Ain't no one else around, so I figured I'd step in. Didn't mean no harm, I just reached to give a spin. Then that chain went wild, grabbed my shirt like it had teeth. Tore it clean across my back, near yanked me off my feet. Cables flying, sprockets grinding, I thought I'd lose my skin. Now I'm standing there half naked while they smirk and laugh again. Caught in the stacker, just trying to help the crew. But every time I touch something, they say I ain't got a clue. It ain't my fault, I swear it. Someone's messing with the line, trying to make me look stupid while I'm out here breaking my spine. I ran to hit the E-stop, shirt still hanging on the chain. Men mechanics came out marching with that look like I'm insane. Didn't we tell you stay away? They say it every time. But I was just being helpful. Now I'm out here breaking my spine. I swear they're out to get me, got it out for me, for real. Every jam or busted motor, they blame me behind the wheel. Say I'm always causing damage, like I'm some kind of curse. But they don't see I'm trying, man, it just keeps getting worse. Yeah, caught in the stacker, just trying to make it right. But they treat me like a problem, not a guy who works all night. Cause no trouble, but I get the blame each shift. And when I cry for backup, all I get's a final rip. But Chris don't say a word, he knows I do my best. I may get caught in gear sometimes, but I ain't like the rest. I'm loyal to this factory, just misunderstood. So why's it feel like everyone wants me gone for good?